Welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are sharing with you a fun DIY to make little but luxurious gifts for that special doll in your life. See how to make boutique-style candles, a practical but pretty diffuser, and super sweet heart-shaped soaps. These personalized gifts are completely customizable. They look perfect in a bedroom or bathroom, in a day spa set, or popped around the dollhouse for extra decor. So let's get making! Starting with the candle, we will use the hard plastic cap from this puffy paint bottle. It measures 3 centimeters tall and has a 2 centimeter diameter. For candle wax, we will use these white hot glue sticks. Hold the nozzle of the gun as low as you can in the cap and squeeze out the glue. You want to fill the container in one pass so the hot glue melts and spreads evenly. Finish when you have a small gap at the top. For the wick, we are taking the plastic end off a real birthday candle. Carefully center it in the hot glue, then push it down until it sits just below the rim of the container. You can leave the candle as is or decorate it. We are going to make a simple label using these pretty gold and pastel stickers from a journaling set. Here we layered a black rectangle over the pink flag end of one of our stickers. This looks very elegant, kind of like a Jo Malone candle label. If you have more caps, follow the same steps to make a second candle. Or you can make a triple wick candle by using a bigger container. Here we used a similar clear, hard plastic cap from a soap pump dispenser. It's optional, but you can make a lid for your candles. Cut, stack and glue 2 small circles from paperboard or specialty cardstock. Cut another thin strip and make a ring that fits around your cap opening. Adhere the ring to the underside of the circle, then trim away any excess paperboard. The addition of the gold cap really elevates our candle and makes our gift even more special. To accompany the candle, we'll make a cute diffuser from this mini message bottle. Start by cutting the bottle in half, then seal the opening closed using the hot glue method. Clip short 6 centimeter lengths of barbecue skewer for the diffuser sticks. We used 4 for this craft. Take your time to file the tip of one end into a smooth domed shape. Dip the other end into liquid glue, then place your first stick inside the jar. Repeat for the second stick, making an X shape. Generously apply more liquid glue where the sticks connect. Repeat with the front and back sticks, making another X. Then coat all the joins with more liquid glue so the structure dries strong. To decorate the bottle, we tied a thin gold ribbon around the neck. Then cut away the excess. Perfect! Okay, let's finish this gift set with heart-shaped soap bars. Punch or cut lots and lots of mini hearts from paperboard. Glue the shapes together until your paperboard stack is about 1 centimeter thick. When the glue has dried, we can paint it. For this, we opted to use nail polishes in a range of pink tones. We applied many thin coats, allowing the nail polish to dry in between. The nail polish did an excellent job of smoothing out the layers of paperboard. And the multiple layers gave the soap bar a smooth, domed appearance. Make as many as your dolls would like. You could even use different punches for different shaped soap bars. We hope you and your dolls will enjoy these luxury gifts for her ideas. We'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribe to support our channel. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!